Hi kids, welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn how to write letter B, capital letter B and small letter B. B is for ball. Today we are going to write over here how to write letter B and we will write B is for ball. Yes, today we will write this sentence also. So before starting we are going to learn some colors. This is pink color. This is purple color. This is brown color. This is yellow color. This is green color. This is orange color. This is blue color. And this is dark green color. So we are going to start with orange color. So start from here, just make a one straight line, stop here, pick the pencil up, start from here, make a one big tummy. You see, comes back on the same line and here is a big tummy, very nice. This is capital B. Now write small b. Just make a one straight line. Pick the pencil up. Start from here. Make a tummy. And stop here. This is small b. Capital B, small b. Now we are going to write over here. So we are going to write with pink color. Here is a dot. Just make a one straight line. Stop here on the third line. Make tummy here and here is one more tummy. You see this is capital B. Just write small b. This is very easy. Go down and stop on third line. Pick the pencil up. Start from here and make a tummy and stop here. You see very easy letter B. One straight line, make a tummy. Now here is small b, make a straight line and here is one tummy. This is small b. Capital B and small b. Make a tummy and here is one more tummy. Small b and here is one tummy. See, capital B, small b, capital B, small b. B is for ball. B is for ball. Let's color in the ball. See, we have done coloring in ball. Let's write the sentence. B I S is B is F O R for B is for B A L, ball. B is for ball. Let's write it again. B is for B is for ball. Very good. So we have written capital B and small b. Capital B, small b. And B is for ball. B is for ball. Very good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.